Today I'm about to show you the trade on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is in a very important level. I would like to show you. As you can see, this is 1 day chart time frame, and Bank Nifty has been moving in a range. So today, if you see continuously for 2 days, Nifty Bank is trying to take support in this zone, and it had made a low of around 46,000, but right now it is at the level of 46,589. So I have a view of, if it breaks this label in the upper side, that is 46,727, it is going to little bit go in the higher side. But now this 46,000 has become a very important support level. If it goes below this level, then the first support will be 45,660 and another level will be around 44,462. In a shorter time frame, in 1 hour chart, if you see, uh, Nifty Bank is continuously taking resistance in this level. From the same level, there is a selling happening. So still it is not yet confirmed that like whether market is going to rise from this level or fall from this level. So that is why for Nifty, now this zone also is very important. This lower level of around 46,000 becomes very important. Now in a shorter time frame of 15 minutes, if you see, there is a little bit of selling happening. The time is already 3:05 and I'm ready with 46,100 put and 47,000 call. So I'm just confirming whether this is going to break this level. So this is the level of 46,722. For tomorrow's point of view, we need to see whether market is going to break this resistance level or whether it is going to take support. So if you see, previously this was a trading zone, and for many hours, if you see, this Nifty Bank has been trading in the same zone. Once it tried to broke this level also, but again it came back in this zone. So right now it is trying to come to this zone. So this zone is in the range of around 252. So it has a zone of 252. So till the time I have a view, till the time Nifty Bank zones in the level trades in the zone of 46,725 and 46,000, the market will be range bound. It will not be a trending market. Now we can see there is a bit of movement happening in 46,102. So now this label will also act as a support. Already what I have been observing in a very short time frame of 15 minutes is it has already made a support over here and it tried to break this label. So right now it is in this level. Now if we closely see, here we have 20 period moving average also, and if it breaks this level, the another resistance will be here. So over here 200 period moving average is also there, and this label or this zone is also there. So the next very important zone will be this zone. It will be this zone, that is 47,178. So that is why I've also kept 47,000 call in my watch list. If you see, a bit of selling is happening in 46,100 put. From the level of 142, it is going to the level of 124. So today's trade, if you see, I've been trading in 46,000 put. So I had bought around 150 46,000 put at the level of 150, and 50% I came out at the level of 176, and another 50%, that is 75, I came out at 202. Because today I had to travel, my trade was very short from 923 to 951, and with just 150 units made a profit of around 4,612. So in power of 3, that is 3 p.m, I'm just trying to see which side Nifty will move. I'm just waiting. So in market, trading is all about waiting the movement of market. Normally what we do is we traders try to make the move and does not wait for the market, so that is always a mistake. I hope all of you are enjoying this content, and please, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe this channel. I'll come up with more of this kind of video. So I'm taking it into a more shorter time frame, that is 5 minutes. In 5 minutes also, if we see there is a spike in this level, that means buyers are more coming into this level, and this level becomes very important. So tomorrow there might be a movement in this premium of 47,000 call if it is able to break this level today. So the time is already 3:09. I may or may not take the trade, but I'm just watching the move of the market, and accordingly I'll take the decision. So watching the live candle also makes some sense. It will help us to understand the psychology in the market. And this trend line is very important trend line. And exactly market Nifty 50 is trying to, Nifty Bank is trying to take support in this level. Just what I'm just waiting and observing the movement of the present candle. Let's see if we can get some opportunity to enter in the market. If not, then that is also fine. Tomorrow, um, whether the market will come above this level or whether the market is going to come below this level, we will take the trade accordingly. Let's see what happens. Considering this buying from this level, I am just focusing on this move, whether this is going to break this level or not. But if market is going to break this level, so the level of Nifty Bank will be 45,665. So a bit of buying can be seen. Little bit of movement in 47,000 call also. There's a sharp selling in this put. I can take a very short trade. I can just keep my stop loss below this and take a call position as of now. But I'm just confirming whether this candle is going to give us a very good move or not, because we need to see the confidence of buyer also. For me, in a shorter time frame, this level becomes very important. I put a color over here. This label is a very important label for me. This is also important label. This is also important label. But first, we need to see whether it is going to sustain this level or not. So if it is going to sustain within this level and break this level, then maybe confident buyers will pour into the market again. A bit of trend line is also here. So every time when the market is coming, there is a selling going on from this level also. If you see, third, and this is the fourth time. So for the fourth time, if it is going to break this level, then a bit of buying we can expect. But the same level of selling, if it comes, then there's a possibility of breaking this level also. Right now, the market is not giving any signal for an entry. Bit of buying we can see over here. Bit of buying we can see from this zone. There is also this slant line from where we can see a lot of selling. It's already 315 in the market, and we need to see whether this is going to sustain this level or not. So in the lower side, this is the level, and on the higher side, this is the level. Again, this becomes very important resistance. Selling we can see from this level. All of this zone is very important. This is a make or break zone. You can see a buying in the 47,000 call. We can see market is trapped in this level, and it's already 320, so still I have not got any signal for an entry, and maybe I might trade tomorrow because you can see mm, market is trapped in this two level. These are two important lines that are drawn. So today I need to see whether the market is going to break this level or whether it's going to break this level. But we need to understand like this zone is very important as support. So from here, whenever the market have come to this level, Nifty Bank has always made a higher high. So let's say tomorrow important also is tomorrow's opening is also very important. Whether Nifty is going to Nifty Bank is whether going to open in this level, and if it makes a range, and let's say if it breaks it's this level, then Nifty Bank is going to make another high level. But if Nifty Bank opens at this level and breaks this level, so Nifty will make new low. Today Nifty Bank is not able to decide, but what I am observing is we can see a bit of kind of a flag pattern. So if you see, if I draw a line over here, and a flag can be made, so a kind of flag pattern we can see. And if I'm drawing over here, so you can see a sort of flag pattern. So flag pattern is a signal of reversal, or if after making a flag pattern it breaks the resistance level, then Nifty Bank is going to make a new high. So I'm just waiting for this level. So maybe I can take a risk of by leaving a position for tomorrow. But I think it's rational to trade tomorrow because overnight anything can happen. So I might not take any trading positions today. I'll just wait for tomorrow and take a trade. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm coming up with more interesting contents in trading. So considering this candle, it's already 323, so there is a time constraint, but I can still take a chance by leaving a position of 47,100 call. But I'm planning to take a trade tomorrow only. We can see a bit of buying. People are entering in this level, so we'll have to see whether it's going to break or make a break in this level. And tomorrow, whenever we trade, we need to understand it is a continuation trend of today only. So if we understand what is happening today and what is the bigger picture, then whenever we take trades, we have a larger picture time frame in our mind, and accordingly we can take a trade. So we have made analysis that is, if it breaks this level, then tomorrow market might give a bit upward move. But if it breaks this level, then we can expect more fall. So today I'm not going to take any trade because Time is already 3:25, and thank you guys for watching till the end.